Good afternoon. So a quick look at Ethereum. Okay. So yeah, it doesn't look that great, even on the daily. We do have this nasty low at 15, about 1540, and yeah, we do have some naked point of controls underneath us as well, and a daily level that's untapped. So I am currently in a short on Ethereum, so I believe that we will see lower prices. And with the movement with Bitcoin that's gone up over the weekend, or well last night, which is a bit of a liquidity grab, Ethereum has followed, although Ethereum is pretty weak, and I did expect Ethereum to take out these highs. So yeah, it doesn't look that great. We do have a lot of liquidity in this zone here, which the market makers will probably come and take. So you want to be careful on your Ethereum longs. I mean, from a spot side of the view, I mean, I probably will start to reaccumulate some spot bags around about the 1400 to 1450 zone if we get there. Because I do believe longer term Ethereum will, we will see some higher prices. I mean, I don't want to make claims like 10,000, 5,000. I mean, I'm happy if Ethereum, if you load up in this zone and you sell at 2,500, I'm happy with that. So should you. Because you can always re-enter. I do scalp Ethereum, and I do know how to scalp Ethereum using order flow. So if you'd like some more information on that, which is free, you don't have to pay, just leave a comment below and I'll invite you to our trading club. Let's have a quick look at Solana. Solana is doing a lot better, and I mean, it does respect the trend quite well. We do have some liquidity pockets underneath us, and I do believe that we will see a good price movement on Solana. Now it's not really a good time I would say, to take any long positions. You want to be taking longs realistically. Let's just go to the 4 hour quickly. You want to be taking long positions. I'm going to give you my trading ideas. These are going to be my ideas, or trading setup ideas. So what am I doing? What am I doing? Yeah, I don't like using that big of a stop, but what you could do is you could DCA into this. This is not the best trading setup, so I'm going to let you know that in advance, and I'm sure there's going to be many people commenting on that. But I'm looking at this in more of a swing play, where I can DCA into this position or into this trade, from about $100 all the way down to about $95. My concern is this: if we lose $90, it's not looking good for Solana. So you have to be a bit careful. But you could scalp this on a daily, on a intraday trade. It's not a problem. Using order flow. So what would you do right now locally? I wouldn't do anything, to be honest. I would let it retrace, in fact. Let's have a look. Double drop on there. Oh, okay. So let's have a look. Sorry guys, I don't really use TradingView that much. Uh, so we have some liquidity pocket here. I don't really use liquidity heat maps. I use more of sort of smart money concepts, you know, support and resistance and order flows and naked point of controls, untapped dailies. So we do have quite a bit of a liquidity pool down there, and we have another one down here as well. So it's another one. Let's just go to the 4-hour quickly, and then we have another one here. Well, we have two actually, so I'm just going to join them together, to be honest, down here. Yeah, so I'm going to be looking for some long positions, swing plays, you know, sort of about 100 to 95. I'll DCA in, and I'm going to be targeting 163 with my first sort of profit taking TP1 about 150, and let the rest of the trade play out. At the moment, I'm not interested in anything because this is liquidity. Yep, and they will run for that. They'll come for that. So that's your update on the Ethereum and Solana. I hope you like that. Please subscribe, join my Telegram group, which is free, where I'll be sharing more setups and also showing you guys on how you can benefit from using order flow, depth of market when you're making decisions in trading, whether that's scalping, day trading, or even swing trading. So, yep, thank you.